PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania is your reliable partner for all your commercial HVAC installation needs. Our team of experienced technicians has the knowledge and expertise to handle all types of commercial HVAC installations, regardless of the size and complexity of your project. Call our commercial HVAC installation today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How do I choose a commercial HVAC installation contractor? When looking for a commercial HVAC installation contractor, seek one with expertise, a solid reputation, and the necessary license and insurance. Look for a provider that provides a warranty or guarantee on their work. What are the various HVAC setups for businesses? Commercial HVAC units can be split, packaged, heated, ductless, or mounted on the roof, among other configurations. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC installation service have served Allentown, Brennigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown, Zionsville, East Greenville, Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC installation service office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street, number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.